In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create logo design in Canva for Business. First, open your web browser and head to canva.com. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your account so your work saves automatically and you can access all your projects later. From the dashboard, click the Create button. In the list of formats, choose Logo. This sets up a canvas with the right dimensions for a logo, giving you a clean starting point. If you already have an icon or a sketch you want to use, look to the left sidebar and click Uploads. Select Upload Files, choose the image from your computer, and it will appear in your media panel. Drag it onto the canvas and resize it by pulling the corners. A quick tip: use images you own or have permission to use, and prefer SVG or high-resolution graphics for crisp results. Next, add your business name or tagline. Click Text, then add a text box. Type what you need, and with the text selected, use the top toolbar to adjust the font style, size, weight, spacing, alignment, and color. Aim for strong readability. A bold, simple font often scales better on packaging, websites, and social media. Consider pairing a clean sans serif for the name with a lighter style for a tagline, but keep it minimal to maintain clarity. To set the mood of your brand, change the background color. Click on any blank area of the canvas to select the background, then use the color swatch at the top to pick a hue. Scroll through the palette to find a match for your brand colors. Test light on dark and dark on light combinations to make sure your text and icons stand out with good contrast. Canva also offers a prompt-based design option. Open the design panel and describe your ideal logo. Include your business type, style keywords like modern or vintage, any icon ideas, and preferred colors. Paste your idea and click Generate Design. Browse the options that appear and choose a concept you like. If it's not quite right, tweak your prompt and generate again to refine the look. Be specific but concise, and focus on one strong idea at a time. Once you've selected a direction, fine-tune spacing and alignment so everything feels balanced. Zoom out to see how the logo reads at small sizes and simplify if details feel crowded. With your text, colors, and imagery working together, you now have a polished business logo created in Canva.